In this tutorial, we're going to talk about driving straight, which is following the road ahead. Driving straight is what you do after you have done something else. For example, after you move off, you are then driving straight, following the road ahead. After you turn left or right, you are then driving straight, following the road ahead. Driving straight or following the road ahead is also what you do as standard when on a test and the tester has not given you direction. So, how do we drive straight or follow the road ahead? Driving straight routine is position, speed, and gear. Position is left of your lane. We would say driver in or around the center of the lane is a good guide. This, of course, depends on the width of your lane. The speed is drive to the speed limit when it is safe to do so. And gear is select the gear that suits your speed. So, driving straight. We're going to play the video. And as you can see, it's position, speed, and gear. So, position is driver in or around the center of the lane. It's always a good guide. Your speed is drive at the speed limit on a clear road, and then the gear is select the gear that suits the speed. So now we're taking just a standard turn to the right, and after you turn right, it's back to position, speed, and gear because you're driving straight, you're following the road. And you maintain that throughout bends, position, speed, and gear. And we're going to turn right again. And again, once you turn right or left, it's back into position, speed, and gear because you're back driving straight again and following the road ahead. Please note, if you go over the speed limit, just bring your vehicle back to the speed limit. Don't panic, don't brake hard to reduce your speed, and don't drive slowly when it is safe to drive at the speed limit. Common issues when driving straight: mirror use, progress, reaction to hazards, observation, and anticipation. Mirror use. When driving straight, you should randomly check your rear view mirror. In some cases, learners check the mirrors based on time every 10 to 15 seconds. This is not correct. Do not check your rearview mirror every 10 to 15 seconds. You check your mirrors randomly and when you know it is safe to do so. A progress issue. If you can see the way is clear, drive at the speed limit. Reaction to hazards. If the way is not clear for any reason, slow down. Observation. Look where you're going and use your mirrors randomly. Anticipation. Read the road ahead. Anticipate what may happen and react appropriately. Your driving instructor will help you understand all of these issues and correct them if need be. So make sure you get live lessons and you understand how to follow the road ahead.